Accreditation is a critical and large-scale process to ensure we maintain good standing in the world as a quality institution. The annual collection of evidence documents is now underway. Typically, these are PDF or other electronic files highlighting what we do and how we learn from what we do. You hold the key to providing evidence documents that show how we address standards set by the Higher Learning Commission, or HLC. The standards, called criteria for accreditation, are organized into 5 main categories. For example, Criterion 4 has sub-criteria such as 4A, 4B, and 4C. The good news is that you are not being asked to address all 5. The criteria list specific to your role or unit at the college is found in the welcome letter sent separately or online in our SharePoint repository dedicated to this project. First, read through the welcome letter. Find the assigned criteria. Read examples of documents in the HLC handout accompanying the letter.
When you are deciding what documents to upload, remember that all documents are rated on a scale of 1 to 3, with 3 being the highest. 3 means there's no question on how the document meets the criteria. 2 means it's clear what criteria, but could use more explanation. And a 1 rating means it's difficult to determine what criteria and there is no explanation. This example shows a high-rated document with a noted criterion of 4A. The program shows how feedback is used. Some documents address more than one criterion. As a reviewer noted, be sure to indicate which ones during the upload process. When you are ready to upload, open SharePoint and navigate to HLC Open Pathway. Once there, click on Add an Evidence Document. The first step is to click the green plus to add a document. Second, click on Choose File to browse for your file. Leave all the other fields as they are and click OK. Third, the name of your document appears, but add a descriptive title. Fourth, choose your unit. Fifth, select a criterion, which will be 1 through 5. 6, select a subcriterion. 7, if this is a new submission, select Original from the drop-down. 8th, here is where you can explain the document's purpose and use. Select additional criteria if applicable. And finally, when ready, click Check-in to submit. To see past documents, navigate to Past Document Submissions. Click the filter icon and select a year to narrow the results. You can also filter by unit. The past documents appear with review ratings and associated criteria.